Got a new Samsung Galaxy M47 and want to transfer everything from your old phone? In this video, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to move your important data to your new Samsung M47, including contacts, photos, videos, messages, apps, and other personal files. And the best part is that you don't need to transfer everything manually or spend hours moving files one by one. First, make sure both phones have enough battery and keep them close to each other. Welcome to the channel. Let's start with something unpleasant. The Samsung M47 has some camera issues right after you buy it. But I'm not going to talk about those because they should be fixed with a future update. However, when it comes to camera quality and recording in 4K, an update won't help, and neither will simply changing the settings. The Samsung M47 camera is already set to maximum quality straight from the factory, so changing the standard camera settings won't make much difference. But there is another solution. Watch until the end to see how you can get better photo and video quality, and most importantly, make sure you set everything exactly the way I show you.